Now we are starting with part 7, working with legends and drilling down. So in table options, you can apply a legend to your pivot table. So by applying a legend, you can color your cells according to your legend. You can create your legend as you wish. Then you can apply that legend to pivot table, and then your pivot table will look like this. So rather than having just numbers, by looking at pivot table, that is pivot table with a legend, so it will be very easy to pick up good or bad data. So for data administrators, this would be a very good and helpful tool. And we will discuss further during the demonstration. And the other thing we have to discuss in this part is drilling down. So rather than changing parameters of pivot table, you can drill up and drill down along org unit dimension by using this drill up and drill down option. So this we are going to discuss these two. So going to the demonstration. Here we are starting our demonstration. To start the demonstration, let me create a new table. So shall we take indicators which are coverage indicators? Okay, string coverage indicators from all indicators. So I have the coverage. So I have OPV3 coverage also. Okay. So I have selected 3 coverage indicators. We'll select the peer as last year. For the organization unit, say all district in training land, that's fine. So this is my pivot table I get initially. So I don't want to go with this. I need to change my layout to include report in the period and organization unit in rows. And here is my pivot table. So here, yes, you can sort and get some idea to some extent. But rather than that, I would like to apply a legend for the section called legend. Then by that legend, we have created a legend called EPI coverage. So before update, let me show you the legend. Okay, I'm going to the maintenance app. Here I have legend. So EPI coverage is the legend I am going to use. So I click EPI coverage. So this is the legend. So in this legend, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors I have used. Range 0 to 70 is low with red. Mid is 70 to 80. And high is 80 to 90. Highest is 90 to 100. So technically it cannot be more than 100, but if it is more than 100, I will color in purple to make it invalid, to mark as invalid. So this legend we have discussed while we were discussing metadata, how to create a legend. So this is legend. You can add, edit these legend items. So I am going to apply this legend to this pivot table. So by updating, so my pivot table acquires colors according to the numbers I have defined in the table. I can sort. Here it's very clear. Now with even from the distance, you can comment on this pivot table. So vegetable district is the best performer, but when you take over 100 performance, the EPI BCG coverage coverage in vegetable district is closer to 100, but all other things need some improvement, while need lot of improvements in terms of API coverage. So you can talk for 1 hour on this simple table with legend. So this is how you apply legend into your pivot table. Second thing, drilling down of data. It is also very important. So just go to one cell. So in dog district, BCG coverage is good, actually middle. HB coverage also okay. OPV3 coverage seems to be little bad. To explore this, you can drill down this dog district. What I'm going to do is go into the cell, click on this, then I have this menu. So I select open, org unit drill down up menu. So I can drill up. So I can drill up to show training land, which the dog district is belong to. So then I can drill down to all facility units in dog district, which will be useful in my case, and show all facility units. That means in the entire scope, that is on the entire country. So I will just select this, show all facility units in dog district. By clicking this, I can see my pivot table is getting updated to include all facilities in dog district. So now I can see what are the facilities where they have less performances in OPV3 coverage. And as health administrators, you can take necessary actions for this, to correct this. So this is how you are drilling down your pivot table. I can obviously drill up to show dog district. Then I will end up with the entire dog district. Show animal region, show all facilities again. All right. So this is how you drill up and drill down through pivot tables in DHIS 2. Right. With this demonstration, we finish the part 7 of our pivot table session, and we discussed about drilling up, drilling down, and legend.